so we're gonna install this and see how it works. So I think you're supposed to just put the TPMS on first before you turn it on. Comes with the 4 caps, little wrench to tighten it up, make sure it doesn't fall off, a charger for the device. But I think it's also solar, so yeah, we're gonna try it out and see how well it is. And the manual, yes, is in English. So I'm gonna install these on my truck and see how it does. Comes fully charged. That's the screen right there. RR for right rear. Or rear right. Whatever. What is that? I don't know what this pad's for, but it's like this. Shit. That's how it looks when it's on. A little bulky, but it'll do the job. Let's go to the front. It's a little flat, but spin this off. Good. This right here, the washer. Put the washer on first. Put this on in here a little. Then you tighten this. go. Let's get in the car. It's so hot in here. Start it up real fast. I'll show you guys how hot it is. Look. 91. Bro. So it says hold. Let me get that instruction. It's Nathan right there. Anyways, the instruction says press the left side on the main press for 3 seconds. So I guess this, hold it for 3 seconds. Okay. I think I turned it on before. It might be dead. Let's see if I have the charger. Bro. Yeah, the battery's dead. God damn it. I think my front right tire is low, so that's why I gave that alarm out, which is pretty good. You can set it, I guess, to set an alarm when the tire pressure's at a certain one where you don't want it at, or almost hitting low. Let's see. Now I show that it's charging. So, or I guess it says 32. 41. 42. Maybe I'll go buy a tire pressure gauge to get an accurate reading of what PSI is at. But I do have my tire pump. I'm gonna drive with it on for a little bit and see what happens, and let it charge up. But my tire pump, I'm gonna connect my tire pump to it and see what PSI is reading at also, and we'll compare. Let's take this cover off. Just let it solar charge also, I guess. And I don't know why it's beeping, dude. I guess I just dimmed it. We'll get back to you guys. Alright, so what I'm gonna do is take this back out, check the pressure. We'll leave that on. So, yeah, it's correct. I said it was at 25. And that's on 25. So my tires are low. I'm gonna set it to 40. This is annoying. It said 25 earlier up here, but since I took it off, it says 0. But 17, 19, and 39. So we gotta fill up all those 3, and we'll go from there. It tells you the tire temperature also, but I don't know what it reads in. I think it's Celsius. So maybe I'm changing it to degrees. It'll be a lot easier. Go ahead and start removing all the other ones too, so it'll be a lot faster. It's kind of hard to take this out. Listen it. These things have batteries inside too. Let's turn it off for now. This is annoying when it beeps. Let it charge. Put it right here. I don't really want to put it on the dash. I can leave it plugged in because I have like 2 auxiliary outlets or whatever you want to say, power outlets. So I think my wife would like it right there also, because they got all the gauges and everything. As long as it doesn't beep like crazy and get annoying, but it's gonna tell you your tire's low and it's accurate. I might have a slow leak somewhere. Gotta get my tires checked. Alright, so it stopped at 39. So we're gonna put the front and left. Spin this. I'm gonna spin the back the opposite way to tighten it. Alright, so remember when I before I turned off the monitor, it said it was like 17 psi, or I think 18. Right there. 18 psi. So let's turn this on. Let it charge. And let it air up. I'm gonna do the last one. That one on. That one's like super flat. So bring this side. Oh, this is hot. It's 91 degrees, remember that. Out here. Oh, unplugged. Pop the fuse. 14. It's gonna take forever. I'm gonna skip it. Alright guys, so most of them are on 39 already, except for the other one that's still pumping. So I got the last one right here. And now I can monitor how fast it leaks, or you know, so it's always good to have this thing. Like, even with, like, if you have like stretched tires and stuff, you got to run a higher PSI. You always want to keep track of it, because if it loses a certain amount, it can debead, and that can be bad for your tires and your wheels. So I mean, it's always good to have a monitor. Like, this car's a 2005, so if they don't come with it, my Pathfinder has like it just tells you the tire is low, but it doesn't tell you each one because it's the base model. But yeah, newer cars have it, but our older cars don't have it. So I can probably get one for the Prelude and stuff, and you know, it'd be nice to have. But I don't have nice wheels and stuff right now, so. And I do got a slow leak in the Prelude too, so you know, maybe later we'll get some wheels. So I don't know what happened, but it doesn't want to pump anymore. It's probably because it's too hot. I'm just gonna go to the gas station and use their pump. It'll be a lot stronger and faster than this piece of shit. But yeah, let's go to the gas station. Alright, so as you guys saw it, let's lower this down a little. My pump's at 28 and it's on 28. Pump's at 39 on the rest, and it was 39. So it's accurate, steady. So what I'm gonna do is just gonna drive it to the gas station and fill up this last one, because my pump either broke or it's just too hot, because it's 95 degrees right now. Yeah, so let's go for a ride. Alright, so I've been driving for a couple miles. I haven't went to the gas station yet to pump it, but it's steady so far. I mean, it went up 1 PSI, but yeah, I mean, it feels good. Like, it gives you a peace of mind, like when you're driving, you know, it's one less thing to worry about, because you have your tire pressure right in front of you, and you know, it makes driving a little bit that much better. Like, so I mean, I would recommend getting it. I would want it for all of my cars. I'll be back at the post office, shipping out more orders. Thanks guys for keeping me busy and the support. You guys don't know how much it means to me, and I appreciate every one of you. We got that right there, all that. So, you know, little by little, we're gonna grow. That's the goal. Dude, the thing about going out too, it's like, fuck, I think I forgot my mask. So, see if I can find one in here somewhere, or if I can just run it real fast. I don't know. I might have some in here. Yeah, we got one. Looking bummy right now, but I got that AG hat, my TRD shirt. Yeah, so let's go drop it off. Got these two right here. Let's go. Let's get in there. Look at that line. It's crazy, man. The line's always so long. But like, I paid for it online. Just gotta drop it off. A lot easier than waiting in line. Still holds on pretty good. And drove it to the post office. So yeah, that's pretty good. Alright, Alright, so yeah, I dropped it off, and now we're just gonna go air up the tires and probably get some gas for this truck because it's below a quarter, and my wife takes it to work. So we're on 29 psi on the front right, the rest are at 40. So let's see how fast we can air it up and then see how it goes. This whole parking lot spot, the post office, is so small, but we got this. I like driving this truck because, I mean, I feel more safe driving it, and I don't know, it's a V8, got a lot of torque. Pathfinder has that freaking CVT training where it's, I don't know, it's not consistent, and it just isn't, you don't feel the shifting because it doesn't really have any gears, but sometimes my legs because of the cheap Nissan, and those tend to have issues, which is one of my biggest regret buying the car, but I'm stuck with it because the value drops like crazy on that shit. And now we're just got this truck, and this truck's been doing good so far. Just the power steering pump, it's like, it's just not consistent either. I think it's leaking or it's just going bad. But we've been able to drive it, so until it really goes bad, then we'll replace it. So that's what every mechanic does to their own vehicles, I know. But I mean, if I change it sooner, then I'll change it sooner. But that's the plan for right now. Probably just sits there. I took it to get emissions, like you guys seen in the other video, and it started acting up. So people say it's main relay. I gotta see if it is the main relay. I have an extra one, so I'll see if it fits. And I want to get some wheels and stuff and build the channel and we can grow more. But money's an issue right now, so if I can start, making some more money, then we'll get some more parts, invest in the channel. That's why I got my clothing brand going. People have been buying here and there. It's not like it's crazy, but it's moving. So, man, if you guys help share, or if you guys are interested in buying clothing, authentic goods or buy goods, stickers, hats, that all helps the channel. It all contributes to it. And we can get some more builds going and stuff. But if you guys don't like it, you guys don't like it. I'm not gonna make you guys buy it. And yeah. So right now we're just still driving to the gas station. That shit is so hot, man. Like, well, it says 89 degrees right now. But I gotta go pump that freaking one tire. And I gotta see if my pump's gonna work still, because all of a sudden it stopped working. You guys have any suggestions for like any good portable pumpers, air pumps for vehicles? Let me know. I had that I forgot what brand it was. I got it at AutoZone. I'll look it up. And I just trade that one in for like 2 wheels. I got it for like $25. Alright, so there's the air pump right there. We're at the gas station. It's still on 29. So let's go ask. Let's see if they can give us some free air instead of having to pay for it. Then when you see a clean Honda though, yeah, the Odyssey didn't have it. Alright, so, 36 right now. had to pay for it because his remote wasn't working. Like $1.50. Ah, this shit hurts. Now we're good. Let's press this. And I had to take this off because it didn't want to go all on. So everything looks good. Let me get some gas. Alright, so yeah. Man, it's so hard to see. It's the lighting. You can see 40, three of them 40, the other one's 41. Cleaner CRV, bro. This thing is so dumb. Pumping some gas. Gas price is going up. Alright, see, they're all 40 now. So let's see how long it lasts. I know my tires do get low after a while, so might be a slow leak or something in it. But yeah, at least now I can monitor it and see how fast they drop. And you know, I had this fucking mask in my pocket the whole time, and I was like, well, I don't have a mask, so I found one in the glove compartment, but I had this on the whole time. Yeah. So grab some coffee and go home. Shout out to Zmoon for sending me this. It's a tire pressure monitor, and it works pretty good. I mean, it gives you a peace of mind while you're driving. It tells you all your PSI on your tires and the temp. So yeah, if you guys are looking forward to get some, go on Amazon and just type in Zmoon tire pressure monitor, and you guys will find it. Yeah.